Here, come on in. It's so nice to meet you. Thanks for coming to the open house today. Come on in and let me show you around this very, very unique house. So this house actually has two separate areas. Even though it is one house, it really has a lot of possibilities. So here's the living room area. As you can see, it does have the 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire home, downstairs, upstairs, everywhere. Kitchen, it has the marble countertops, which are gorgeous. The stainless steel appliances, unique everything, unique lighting, and the flooring is a reclaimed whitewashed wood flooring. You can actually use it indoors and outdoors. As you can see from here, the outside deck has that same gorgeous flooring on it. So as you can see, the deck out here has this same gorgeous whitewashed reclaimed wood flooring, tall ceilings, the deck above, and lots of space. Oh, it has the shutters that are automatic, so during a hurricane, you can there's a little place inside that you can turn the stick thing or whatever, and it actually automatically does them both, which is awesome. All right, so then coming back in from outside, let's go this way. And you can see it has a stacked washer and dryer unit with a barn door. Everybody loves a barn door. Then we have the gorgeous bathroom with a tiled shower from floor to ceiling. Marble countertops in here as well. The owner, actually, he built it himself, so he spared no expense. He built it for himself to live here and his father. So lots and lots of really great features. As you can tell, the closets too have the built-in organizers. It's 2,200 square feet, and that does include downstairs as well as upstairs. So let's take you upstairs so you can see up there. Unique little space here. You can put whatever you wanted just for decoration. And then notice the railings on these stairs. These are actually 100% made for the owner. He has a glass-blowing friend in Minnesota, and he actually built these for him for this house. So this is definitely a unique feature that no one else has. And then as you go up the stairs, you can notice the lights on the stairs for those evenings when it's super, super dark and you don't want to trip and fall. Just turn on those lights on the stairs. So as you can tell, it has a similar floor plan to the one downstairs. You start out in the living room, and again, those 10-foot ceilings. And even notice the recessed lighting, unique recessed lighting, not the circle round canned ones you can buy at Lowe's. Everything is custom in this house. So then you walk into this gorgeous kitchen. Again, same marble though. You'll notice the sameness throughout the whole house. So it gives it a very, unifying feeling. Lots and lots of cabinets in here. Now up here you have the double ovens, which if you're a gourmet chef, you love those, and I do love those. And of course the range hood. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but soft close. Everything is soft close drawers. Okay, so let's go back here. Now the space up here, this actually has 2 bedrooms instead of 1. So here you notice we have an actual laundry room upstairs. Huge, again, 10-foot ceilings, closet, that's where the air conditioning unit is, and it goes back into the back. Countertop is also marble, just like the kitchens, both kitchens and bathrooms. Lots of storage space. And of course the washer dryer. And then the next room from the laundry room is your first bedroom. As you notice, great space, lots and lots of space in here. You've got a closet, big walk-in closet. It's just really full right now, but it is a walk-in closet with the built-in shelves. And it has its own bathroom. Notice this one also has the barn door for the bathroom. A little squeaky. Same flooring, but again, wall to ceiling, floor to ceiling, all walls, gorgeous tiled shower, and same, countertop and cabinets as everywhere else. And of course, that leads you into the master bedroom in here. Notice, again, huge space. This is a, a king-size bed, so you can see how much floor space that there is. And it, of course, has its own bathroom as well with the barn door. And the bathroom is huge, double sinks. Again, you've got your floor to ceiling, gorgeous tiled shower, and your really nice sized walk-in closet over here. All right, and then let's go look at the deck. Last place up here is the deck outside. Okay, and last is our gorgeous outdoor deck space. As you can tell, we have the Trex decking and our hot tub over here. Lots of space, fire pit, and one of my favorite features is the outdoor kitchen, the grill area, prep space, right? I love this. So outdoor grill area. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming to our open house today. That concludes our tour of 112 Atlantic Avenue. Really appreciate you coming by. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can help you with. See you later.